Good morning. It's Emma. How can I help you?
Hello, Emma. I'm Paul. I just visited the EMD Service website and I was really impressed with what I read about your solutions. I run 50 car wash facilities and I'm curious about how your systems can help monitor total water consumption across different sites.
Hello, Paul. I'm glad to hear that you found our website informative. Yes, monitoring water consumption efficiently is crucial. If I may ask, how are you currently tracking it?
Sure. Right now, we rely on regular water meters and car counters from our surveillance systems. Then, our team takes manual readings and logs them into a spreadsheet to figure out the consumption per wash based on the total water usage for the week. Honestly, it's time-consuming and not that precise.
I understand. That approach really takes a lot of effort and can sometimes lead to mistakes. At EMD Service, we offer advanced systems that include smart water meters, wireless sensors, and an online dashboard. This solution gives you a detailed, real-time picture of how, when, and where water is used, as you can see in this dashboard. You can also see everything right down to each individual wash cycle.
That sounds promising. But can your system pull together data from different sites so I can compare and benchmark?
Absolutely. There's no limit to how many car washes you can benchmark. All the wireless meters and sensors at your site send live data straight to our data center, where the system turns it into a user-friendly dashboard, as the one I'm showing you here. This other example shows that you also get real-time updates on gantry performance as well as water usage per wash. This is a very simple way to figure out which car washes are excelling and which ones might need service. But let me ask you something. Do you currently have a way to detect water leaks in your facilities?
No, not really. Leaks can happen without us even noticing, and sometimes it takes a while to find them. That delay means we end up wasting water and money before we know that something is wrong.
That's exactly where our solution comes in handy. When the system detects abnormal water consumption, as you can see in this graph, then the system will automatically detect this and send a notification to your phone or email. That means your team can quickly decide whether to take action or call in a service partner when needed. You can also get a weekly car wash report containing the performance of each site based on water usage per wash. You also get updates on leaks or water waste and information about service visits during the past week.
That sounds like just what we need. Getting accurate data and immediate leak alerts would make running all our car washes a lot easier. Thanks, Emma. Can we schedule a demo and discuss further steps?
Definitely, Paul. I'll get in touch soon to arrange a time that works for you. Thanks for your time today, and feel free to reach out anytime. We're looking forward to working with you.